So how do you convert a document to picture on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe to Foxtecc so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So just like most of the times when I make these tutorials, there are more ways how you can achieve the same thing, but the best way, if you ask me, to convert a document would be by using the Apple Pages app, right? So as you know, there is the text editor developed by Apple, like the Pages app. It is available on the Mac computers, on iPads, iPhones, but on the iPhone, just make sure you have it, and then when you check out your Files app and locate your document, instead of just clicking on it right away, you can hold down on it and then just click on the options you open with, which will give you a selection of available apps which can open at that application, right? So for example, I can click on the PDF Expert or some different random apps which I can open it with. But I will most definitely want to click on the Pages app. It's going to open it up within the Apple Pages text editor. And obviously I can make some changes and whatnot, but if I'm happy with it, all I have to do is just to click on the three dots, tap on export, and there are more file types to convert it. So a lot of people want to convert their like Word documents to PDFs, or there is the EPUB, which is the Apple ebooks or just generally ebooks format. So that's pretty cool. And also you have the images right there. So if you click on images, you can basically just convert it to the JPEG. You can see that there is also PNG or JPEG in a smaller size or a TIFF. So you can export it all. You can choose the page range and stuff. So that's how you can basically turn your document to image or to different file formats. So that would be something which I would do on my own. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.